Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can save password into your Google Chrome browser without wasting any time. Let's get started. So first you have to come over this three dot, click on that, and then you just need to come over password and autofills. Click on that and then go for Google Password Manager. So after clicking on Google Password Manager, so here you can see there are a bunch of websites and we have different password for different website. So if you want to show any of your website, like just like I'm showing you unplus.com, this password. So if you click on unplus.com, there would be a password for your, so there will be a required password for your PC password. So if you click on your PC password, and then you can see here it is your password, there is a username, and here it is your password. So if you want to see them, then you can simply click on show password, or if you want to copy, then just click on copy password, and from there you can paste your password into that website called unplus.com. So this is how you can find safe password for your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.